Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this tablet. Start by going to Tab menu. Now you need to access location icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's gray. That means that location is definitely off. But if you wish to turn it back on, you can do that by tapping on the same icon. Then select Agree in the pop-up. As you can see, location is back on. You can also though go into device settings, scroll down and tap on location section over here. Then manage your device location by tapping on the switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!